Identifying a real rough diamond at home can be challenging, especially because rough diamonds do not have the sparkle and perfect shape of cut diamonds. However, there are several simple home tests that can help you determine whether the stone you have is a genuine rough diamond or just a common mineral like quartz or zircon. Important note, these methods are for preliminary identification only. For absolute certainty, always consult a professional gemologist. 1. Visual inspection shape and surface test. Rough diamonds have a natural irregular shape and are rarely smooth or rounded. What to look for: sharp edges and uneven surfaces, greasy or oily appearance, natural crystal shapes, often octahedral or distorted forms, no rounded corners like quartz stones. Fake stones often look too smooth or glassy. Now, 2. Transparency and light test. Real rough diamonds are not perfectly transparent. How to test: place the stone under a strong light, observe how light passes through it. Results: real diamond, light scatters irregularly. Fake stone, light passes straight through. Clearly, diamonds bend light strongly due to their high refractive index. 3. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. How to test: try scratching a piece of glass or ceramic tile. Results: real diamond leaves a visible scratch. Fake stone cannot scratch the surface. Be careful, this test may damage softer stones. 4. Water sink test. This is one of the easiest tests to perform at home. Steps: 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Drop the stone inside. Results: real diamond sinks immediately. Fake stone floats or sinks slowly. Diamonds have a high density, causing them to sink fast. Nudge 5. Fog breath test. Diamonds disperse heat very quickly. How to test: breathe on the stone like fogging a mirror. Results: real diamond, fog disappears instantly. Fake stone, fog stays for a few seconds. This happens because diamonds conduct heat extremely well. 6. UV light test. Many real diamonds react to ultraviolet light. How to test: place the stone under a UV light, black light. Results: real diamond emits blue fluorescence, sometimes white or yellow. Fake stone, no reaction or strange colors. Not all diamonds fluoresce, but most fakes do not at all. Number 7, vinegar or acid resistance test diamonds are chemically stable. How to test: place the stone in vinegar or mild acid for several hours. Results: real diamond, no reaction or damage. Fake stone, surface becomes dull or damaged. This test helps eliminate softer minerals. Common mistakes to avoid: assuming sparkle equals diamond. Rough diamonds rarely sparkle. Confusing quartz or zircon with diamonds, relying on one test only. Always use multiple tests together. Final thoughts. Testing rough diamonds at home is possible using simple tools and observation. While these 7 methods can help you eliminate fake stones, they do not replace professional testing. If your stone passes several of these tests, it may be a genuine rough diamond worth further examination. When in doubt, a gemologist or diamond tester device is the final step.